In today's video, we're responding to an emergency fiber outage. A critical line was cut and it's our job to get service restored as quickly as possible. We'll take you step by step through troubleshooting, locating the break, splicing, and getting the network back online. Time is everything in a repair like this. Let's get started.
I'm out here at a customer's site. I got a phone call last night about 5:30, 6 o'clock saying that they had a cut fiber between two buildings. I'm out here this morning getting everything set up, getting ready to prep it, get ready so Jordan can splice it. Right now we're out testing the strands from both ways, making sure that the fiber is good from both ends before we splice it, so we don't splice it and find out after the fact. I've got the tent set up, got the fiber exposed, got a little trench dug there, and then we'll be starting to splice soon. This is the machine cut fiber. This is the conduit where the fiber was. It continues on over to there and then goes around to the building, and that was providing connectivity to this building over here. And this is the hole they were digging. This is for some drainage they're putting in. So a big hole, small fiber, big heavy equipment. Gets them every time. Got the fiber from one building coming out of this conduit here. Got it up on the table, getting it stripped, prepped, ready to splice onto the fiber coming from the other building. Got a splice case. We'll meet the two existing fibers, splice them in the case, put it back together and bury it in the ground. Just that easy. So this is the building the fiber is coming from. Routes through conduit underground. Goes that way. Routes over to that building right there. It's about 98 degrees today, so we got a shade tent set up, keeping that sun off of Jordan while he splices the fiber. So he's got the fiber all spliced up, got it in the case, splice case. Now we're getting the OTDR and the tester zeroed out, ready to test the strands between the two buildings and make sure that they are good. Then we'll put the network back online and bury the splice case. Should be good to go. He's getting the OTDR set up now, zeroed out. Got the OTDR, got the light source, got a panel. Walking into the IDF, we've got the network cabinet. This is an old cabinet that's been in since 2009 or even earlier. This is the fiber we're testing here. Ready to test to make sure all the strands are good. And put the switch back on the network. Got all the strands tested. Got the jumper plugged back in. Just got a link light on the fiber, so we're heading to the other building. Check the switch, make sure everything's good. Got a link light, so everything's good over here. on the feeder side, just doing some cable management as much as we can. This is an old cabinet. It's become a mess over the years. Just straightening up the fiber as much as we can. There's the fiber coming out of the conduit. We left it like that so they could work around it. We left a slack loop. Got the splice case. And then we got the other end of the fiber. That's enough slack for them to move the cable around so they can get in here with the mini-X and finish their excavating. And then when they're done, they're going to dig a small trench and they'll just put that underground and bury that. We've got the fiber repaired. The network switches are back up on both sides, the pilot plant and tech services. It's all connected. We've got with Trader, showed them how we left it. They know what to do when they're finished. They know how to move it around, and we left them enough slack out here so they would be able to move it so they could do their digging. So everything should be good to go.